Hi, I'm Jerry Scavo. This is my son Nick and my daughter Jerry Lynn. We're from Nummies Bakery in Chester, New York. We started a bonus program with the idea that we were going to create a super crew. And the idea being that if normally it requires us to have 25 employees to do a job, we're able to do the same amount of volume with 15 employees. And so far we've been fairly successful with this. We created a program that is based on performance, and our employees can make a fair amount of income by participating in this program, and it's worked very well for us. And we have discovered that the days where we spend the most money on labor are our most profitable days. And so from that perspective, this program is working out from the perspective of retention and making employees happy to come to work. We feel we've been fairly successful with the program in that respect as well. Thank you.